Hi, I'm Sandy Ingram, and I'd like to have a little chat with authors. Did you know YouTube has over 1.9 billion logged in monthly users? Did you know that 8 out of 10 18 to 49-year-olds watch YouTube? Or did you know that people watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos a day, more than Netflix and Facebook video combined? 70% of YouTube views come from mobile devices. Now, does that sound like a platform where you can really get your audiobook out into the world, your short stories? Do I have your attention yet? First, you will learn how to earn on YouTube. To qualify for AdSense income, you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. However, there are other ways to earn almost immediately after you put up your first audiobook. You'll learn how to record your own audiobook, and a lot of people prefer to hear the book directly from the author. But if that's not something you want to do, you don't have to, because you can learn how to secure the services of a professional on the cheap. I show you who, where, and when. You can learn how to get subscribers. This means you learn the marketing techniques to increase your subscribers. You learn how to promote your audiobook channel on the cheap. This is not something that happens overnight. This is something that you learn and you work on a little bit each day. And before you know it, it grows up and it's larger than you. It just goes out into the world and secures thousands and more thousands of potential listeners, because people love a good story. And when they don't have to read it, sometimes it's even better. So here's what I want you to do. Enroll in this course and watch me as I work on my audiobook YouTube channel. And we'll go through this together. And in the end, I know you'll be happy with your efforts. I'll see you on the inside.